Good day, everybody. If you are seeing this video, so probably you are one of TCL family or TCL partners. We are welcoming you to our training program, continuous training program. And today's topic, we are going to talk about how to calculate the laundry cost for TCL chemicals. So actually, this sheet can either give you a very realistic cost estimation, or initially, when you are approaching the customer for the first time, you can give him a glimpse about how his cost can be. So it only depends on the data that you can collect from the customer. So firstly, we would like to tell you the main points that you have to fill on this generic sheet, and you have to understand that always depends on the laundry operation and the items they are washing and the variables of their operation, because every laundry has its own specific operation. That sometimes one laundry has a certain cost and the other laundry would have a significant different cost. So the first thing that this sheet is really based on is the washed linen per day. The washed linen per day will always alter the cost in terms of value, but it will never alter the cost in terms of cost per kg. What will alter the cost per kg are the percentages of items that you are washing. Like here, you are washing bed sheets, you are washing blankets, you are washing. So each item has its own percentage. So let's see how we can fill the sheet and where we are supposed to fill the sheets so that we can get the initial estimation. So if you can collect the data, the number of rooms of the hotel, let's say we are approaching a hotel of 100 rooms. Here you can make it to 100 rooms if you got this data. And here is the star rating. And as you can see, once you fill this, everything else in the sheet will change except the uh, uh, shaded cells. So let's say it's a 200 room hotel and it's 3 stars hotel. So normally for 3 stars hotel, the average kg per room, the generated linen per room would be between 4 and 6. So we put here 5. If you know specifically how many kg for linen generated by one occupied room, you can put it here. If it's 6, if it's 7, whatever, you can put it immediately. If you don't know, you can put here always the star rating. Let's say 2 to 3, you will find it also 5 kg per room. But if we go for 4 stars, it will be 10, because normally it's between 8 and 12. If you go 5 stars, it will be also 10. And here you write the average occupancy for the hotel, which you can collect also from the laundry manager or the housekeeping manager. If it's normally 80% or it's 100%, or if you don't know, it's better to put it 100%. So let's say 200 rooms, 5-star hotel, it will give you 10 kg per room and 100% occupancy. So every day they have 200 full rooms, and every day they are washing the linen of the rooms of the 200 rooms. So it will give you 2000 kgs per day. Okay, so after that, after filling this information, you can put here the prices that you are planning to offer your customer. And here you have two options. You either put the price for each item. Here's we have here Alka brake, so the price for 1 gallon, it can be 300, it can be 320, whatever the price you want, if you are working on the standard price list. If you are not working on the standard price list and you have different discounts on each item, so you can calculate it separately and put it here. Or you can give the customer a discount over the standard price list. So you put here like let's say 10% discount. So after the discount, the price will be 10% less. So you can see it's only 13. So here you can see the net monthly cost is changed and the cost per kg is now 13 bells per 1 kg. Okay, now we finished the general sheet. Okay, but now still we didn't know how we calculated these percentages, which will alter the realistic estimation of this sheet. So let's say we made a trial with the customer and we have collected the data from the dosing system and we need to make a more realistic offer or a proposal to the customer. So we can go here and we can write down the daily production. Let's say it's you can put the daily production or the period time of the trial, or you can put 1 month production. What really matters is the percentage here. So here, let's say the customer is making let's say 3 cycles per day for the FMB colored, the FMB white. It's 10 cycles, 15 cycles, and so on. So here it will give you the percentage of each item from the linen, like the bed sheets and so on. So this will give you the percentages, which will be altered. Let's say here, let's make it 5 cycles instead, and 12 cycles, whatever. As you can see, the percentages have changed, and here FMB white, it's now 12% instead of 9% earlier. Okay, and that's it. Now you can have a very realistic cost estimation based on the production of the customer and everything. And this way, we have calculated the cost, the value, and also the value of the discount, and even the value of per kg. And this is really what really matters with. Okay, what really matters with the customer is this column and these values. So the customer would like to compare you with other companies, so he wants to know the consumption of the chemicals, and this is the consumption of the chemicals, total packs per month. So he will be consuming 5 packs, 5 times 20 liters of Alka Break, and 10 times 20 liter of super formless, and so on. And here is the amount of money he's going to pay every month, the total cost. And here is also to compare you with other companies is the cost per 1 kg washed. Thank you so much for bearing with us and stay tuned for more training videos regarding the TCL continuous training program. Thank you so much.